Hello everyone, welcome to you on my YouTube channel TechnoCAD-CAM. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and activate Mastercam 2026. So as you can see here, on desktop I have kept the software Mastercam 2026. So simply I'm going to open this one. Okay, as you can see here, there is available this software in zip file. So first of all I have to extract here. So simply I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to select extract here, and I have to put the password. Okay, so the zip file there is extracting right now. Up to complete the extract I have to wait. Okay, the first zip folder there is extract completed. Then I'm going to open this folder which I have got after extract the zip file. Okay, as you can see here there is available another zip file. I'm going to extract it also. Okay, then next what we have to do, there is available application which is Mastercam 2026 web. Simply right click on it and select run as administrator. Yes. I'm going to hide this one. Okay, so here as you can see here, this is ready to install Mastercam 2026. So before that what we have to do, I'm going to disable the internet or turn off the internet, and I'm going to turn off Windows security, and whatever you have available, antivirus or Windows Defender or Windows security, you have to temporarily stop that one. So simply I'm going to select Windows security. Then I'm going in section of virus and threat protection and click on manage setting. And as you can see here, there is available a real-time protection. This is I'm going to turn off. Yes, this one also, this one and this one also. So now I'm going to close this one. Okay, but the next step is simply click on Mastercam 2026 install. Select language English, then click on next. Okay, next I have to check mark it. Yes, I accept the terms of license agreement, then click on next. So as you can see here, it's initiated for installation. Okay, there is completed installation. Then I'm going to click exit here. Then again go to software folder and open this one, and again open the crack folder, then open multi-key. First there is showing remove. Simply select run as administrator. Here. Then press the key to continue. Then install. Click on right and select Run as Administrator. Okay, press the key to continue. Then there is showing SolidCAM. Select merge. Yes. And at last this one. Okay, now close this one, and I'm going to start Mastercam 2026. So first time I'm going to open, so simply I'm going to click Run as Administrator. Yes. Okay. Yes, I read and agree to the license agreement, then continue. Don't show this again. Okay, so as you can see here, it's working 100%. There is not even single error showing. So simply I'm going to exit. Okay. Okay, I have to exit first, then close. So guys, thank you for this video.